Hi everyone. I hope everyone will have a beautiful day in your life. Beautiful day. How it will be. What is beauty actually? As like Pongal or Deepavali, will a beautiful day come? At what date will it come? How it looks beautiful? Will the sunshine be colorful? Or any wonderful things or fairies or gods will come in our day? How can we determine a day as a beautiful one? What is beauty? We have a lot of things, right? Beauty is in the eye of a beholder, as given in this quote. Beauty is nothing but what we feel as a beautiful thing is the beauty. And everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. So, in the world, with the nature, we also one of the nature, right? So, with the nature, there are lots and lots of things, and in everything, there is a beauty. But not everyone was recognizing it. But it was in its own way, it was just showing out its beauty. Okay, today we are going to see a poem based on the concept of beauty. Shift things are beautiful. Let's get into the poem. We are going to learn a poem, Swift Things Are Beautiful, by Elizabeth Cotsworth. Let's read the poem. Swift things are beautiful. Swift things are beautiful, shallows and deeps, and lightning that falls, bright, vain, and clear. Rivers and meadows, wind in the wheat, the strong, withered hearts. The runner sure feet, and slow things are beautiful. The closing of a day, the pass of the wave that curves down to spray, the ember that crumbles, the opening floor, and the ox that moves on in a quiet of power. Which is the best according to you? Either slow or fast? Let's learn the poem line by line. Swift things are beautiful. Swift things are beautiful means fast things are beautiful. Let's see the cheetah running here. It was a beautiful thing. If it walks like a cat, it is not the beauty of a cheetah. So, the fastness is the beauty of the cheetah. Swallows and deer. Author gave some example for the things which are beautiful when it was doing something fast. So the fast beautiful things were many, and in that his first example was swallows. Swallows is a bird which flies fast and even catch the fish when it was flying above the water. It never wait for the fish or anything. It will just fly, and on the way it just pick the fish. So that much fast it was. And we all know deer is also a fastest animal. Its fastness is the beauty of the deer. So he examples the swallows and deer. And lightning that falls bright, vain and clear. He gives another example as a lightning which falls in a fraction of a second and disappears. It will be bright, vain. As vain, it was very bright and it was also clear. The author gave it as another example. River. We know river will run fast. If it moves slowly, it won't be nice. When it moves fast only, it was very beautiful. So, the beauty of the river is it's fast. And meteors. It was the You all know what is meteor. The stone comes from the space. It will also come as fast as it can. So it is also an example for the beautiful, fastest thing. The next example was wind in the wheat. How it looks when the wind in the wheat field, when the wheats wave with the wind, it looks very beautiful. So it is also another example for the shifting that looks beautiful. The strong withering hearts, the run sure feet. The strong withering hearts means fast running fit hearts. When it runs, when its feet runs, it looks very nice and it looks beautiful. So it is also one of the things which looks beautiful at its fast. We came to the second stanza, first line. And slow things are beautiful. Yes, as like the fast things, there are some slow things which was beautiful for the way it was, for its slowness, right? So there are many things are beautiful even at its slow rate. As like the fast things, there are some example given for the slow things. The closing of the day, it was very nice when it was evening, when it was closing of the day. We can see, if we notice the sunset for some time, it will be very pleasant. It was very slow process, even though it gives us a good pleasure, good freshness. The evening when the birds come to its nest and the sun was setting, and we also came back to home from job or school or anything, it was very slow process, even though the closing of the day was very beautiful. The pass of the wave that curves down to spray. We can see this in a beach. When the wave comes to its end, to the sand or to our palms, it looks very beautiful. Though it comes very slowly, we will wait for the waves, but it gives us a pleasure, it gives us a happiness. It's because it looks very beautiful. Nature has its own way of beauty in each and every piece. The path of the wave that curves down to the spray, that curve which comes down to us was also be a beautiful thing, though it was slow. The opening flower. We may not sit near the flower and can't see how it was opening, but day by day, at morning to evening, we can notice it will blooms a little bit than the before. So the opening flower will be very slow, but it looks very beautiful. Here we have a picture of it. Look, it attracts us. It looks very beautiful, though it was slow. And we all might notice how ox will move. It will move slowly and it will never care of its surroundings. It will just move slowly. It was also a beautiful thing if we notice. Not only ox, if we notice the elephant too, we can feel the beauty, we can see the beauty, how it was just moving very slowly. So, in every small thing, there will be a beauty in the quiet of power. Though the things were slow, they will also have its own power in its quiet way. Thus, not only in the fastest thing there will be a power, also in the slow thing there is also a power. This is what the poet is trying to say. The beauty of the things may be noticed or may not be noticed, but there will be a beauty ever. It will happen on its own way. What do we learn from this poem? Yes, some vocabularies and some new species like swallows and ember is a new thing which we learned, and little more vocabularies we might learn, or little more thoughts we might learn. The main concept of this poem where everything has its beauty on its own way. We never need any recognition of our beauty. We know we are beauty in on our own way. So as like nature, we are a part of a nature, right? So as like nature, we also should not mind of others recognition or others response for our beauty. Beauty in the sense not only in physical appearance, in everything, in our mind thought, in our job, in our works, in our studying, in our playing, and in everything we should not mind others recognition. We should do our best in everything, and this is what the thing I learned, and I hope you too will feel the same. If you like the thought and the poem, just hit a like.